In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a plagiarism check in Grammarly. Whether you're a student, a professional writer, or just someone who wants to ensure their work is original, checking for plagiarism is a vital step in maintaining integrity and credibility. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Grammarly editor. You can access it via your web browser or through the desktop app, whichever you prefer and find more convenient. Once you're in the editor, you have the option to create a new document or upload an existing one that you've already written. This flexibility allows you to seamlessly integrate Grammarly into your writing process, no matter which stage you're at. Before proceeding, it's crucial to confirm that your Grammarly plan supports plagiarism checking. This feature is available only for Grammarly Premium, Business, or Education users. So if you're on the free plan, you might need to consider upgrading to utilize this powerful tool. Having access to the plagiarism checker can be tremendously beneficial, especially if you're frequently involved in writing or research. Now, once your document is open in the Grammarly editor, look for the plagiarism button or option. Sometimes it's labeled as Check for Plagiarism, or might include AI text and plagiarism in its description. This button is typically easy to find and is designed to make the plagiarism checking process straightforward. With a simple click of this option, Grammarly initiates a robust scan of your text against billions of web pages and a multitude of databases. This comprehensive scan ensures that any potential matches with pre-existing content are identified, giving you a detailed overview of the originality of your text. Once the check is complete, you'll see highlighted sections or markers in your document that indicate where your text matches external content. In addition to these visual cues, you might also receive a similarity score or an originality score, which provides a quick gauge of how much of your work resembles other sources. At this point, it's time to review the flagged text and the sources where these similarities were found. You'll need to decide on the next steps, which include adding proper citations if you've used someone else's words or ideas, ensuring you are giving appropriate credit. Alternatively, you might opt to rewrite the flagged passages to ensure they truly are in your own words and reflect your unique voice. Once you've made the necessary edits to address any plagiarism concerns, it's a good idea to rerun the plagiarism check. This ensures that your changes have effectively resolved any issues, and that your document is now as original as intended. Incorporating these steps into your writing routine can significantly enhance the quality and credibility of your work, leaving you with a polished and plagiarism-free document you can be proud of. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!